is a tutorial on how to get the Songbird item in Fer.al. So, shoutouts to this person. Oh wait, whoops. I didn't mean to click that. I meant to click like social. So, shoutouts to this person by the name of Shadow. The hog, like it's supposed to be hedgehog, but they mixed the and hedgehog together, so it's like the hog or something like that, or a hedgehog. But shoutouts to them for helping me out, where to find the green egg, and you need the green egg for this, and the green egg is over here. Now, it's in Mugmire Marsh at Sporeville. You need to go to this mailbox with this weird three-eyed chicken on top, and there's a green egg right here. And then you already have the other two items you need, which are the base tail and the yellow feather. You just need the green egg. But I've already gotten the enigma, so I don't need to do that. I'll show you the enigma that will give you the Songbird. This is actually my first enigma in the game. This is the enigma, the Clucky enigma, and you have to give this to Julian and Fer.al Fashions. I'll see you there. Alright, so here we are. Now we need to go to Julian, who is over here. And we have to talk to him while having the enigma in our inventory. And let's see what happens. I see you've come with an enigma. Well, let me give it a look. And then he will open the enigma and see what is going on in here. And now, because of this, you will get, I believe, the Songbird. Let's just see. Enigma items? Yeah, Songbird. This is it. I have all the ingredients, I just need 500 likes. So you need 6 pure light pollen and 4 rush locust. Not too expensive, thank goodness, but we need 500 likes, so I'll be right back with 500 likes. Also, I like how everyone is just crowded up here, so now it just looks like a cloud of tails. Alright, I am back with with 500 likes, so now let's craft. And we now have a Songbird. Adventurers carry songbirds with them to warn them of danger in the wild. Adorability is just an added benefit. Yeah, they're pretty adorable and they'll be nice pets. So anyways, I hope this has helped you. And if you want more Fer.al videos by me, hey, why don't you subscribe? I'll also make more Fer.al like tutorials, skits, videos, other stuff in the future, so you better subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see them. Alright, well, anyways guys, I'll see you all next time. Bye!